Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, inshallah, we are going to learn dua for protection from shaitan. This dua is mentioned in Surah Al-Mu'minun, words number 97 and 98. The words number 97 is Rabbi Audhu Bika min Hamazatish-Shayateen. And words number 98 is Wa Audhu Bika Rabbi an Yahdurun. Rabbi means my Rabb. Audhu Bika means I seek refuge in you. Min means from. Hamazatish means the whisperings of the evil ones or the devils. My Rabb, I seek refuge in you from the whisperings of the evil ones, Shayateen. The next verse is Wa'audu bika Rabbi an Yahdurun. Wa'audu bika means and I seek refuge in you. Rabbi means my Rabb. An Yahdurun means in case they be present with me. And I seek refuge in you, my Rabb, in case they be present with me. Ameen.